Hey, gearheads, welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 6 best dashboard camera that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started.
Autoverse Authority, where passion meets performance. Number 6.
In our list, the number 6 product name is ThinkWare F70 Pro. When I installed the ThinkWare F57 Pro dash cam, I was amazed at how its compact design fits seamlessly into my car without obstructing my view. The 1080p Full HD resolution and wide dynamic range, WDR, technology captured every detail, delivering crisp, clear footage in both bright and low light conditions. It's probably my favorite bit is, in addition to amazing R and fit parts, this system can offer a robust, linsey bushy lens. Additionally, the Super Night Vision feature gave me peace of mind during late night drives. Whether parked or on the road, this dash cam enhanced visibility, ensuring I didn't miss important details even in dim lighting. Parking surveillance mode further protected my vehicle by recording impacts and motions while parked. Moreover, I loved the ease of managing recordings with the ThinkWare Dashcam Link app. Built-in Bluetooth made pairing effortless, allowing me to adjust settings or replay videos directly from my smartphone. Features like loop recording and anti-foil corruption eliminated worries about running out of storage or losing important footage. The high-definition video with WDR for enhanced clarity. Super Night Vision for improved low-light performance. Parking surveillance mode and app control for convenience. Because GPS antenna for additional features sold separately. Super Night Vision only available in parking mode.
Number 5.
In our list, the number 5 product name is Nexar Beam. I decided to try the Nexar Beam GPS dash cam, and I'm impressed by its compact design and powerful features. This dash cam streams live footage directly to my phone, providing instant access to video evidence whenever I need it. The 1080p HD resolution ensures clear, sharp recordings, and with a 135-deg wide-angle lens, I capture every road detail. Moreover, the 24/7 parking mode offers extra security, automatically detecting impacts and saving clips to the Nexar Classic app, which comes with unlimited cloud storage for the first year. Even when I'm not around, I know my car is being protected. Additionally, the setup was quick and easy. Mounting it behind the rearview mirror keeps it discreet and out of sight. The Nexar Classic app makes managing clips effortless, though you'll need a smartphone to access all features. Pros: compact design, easy to mount and hide. Unlimited cloud storage for 1 year. 24/7 parking mode for added security. Guns requires smartphone connection, not compatible with Apple CarPlay. A subscription needed for continued cloud storage after 1 year.
Number 4.
In our list, the number 4 product name is NextBase IQ. I recently installed the NextBase IQ 1K Smart HD Dashcam in my car, and it's been a game changer for security and convenience. With its 4G/LTE connectivity, I can monitor live footage of my vehicle from anywhere using the NextBase IQ app. The 1080p resolution and infrared cabin camera provide excellent clarity, even at night, ensuring both the road and cabin are captured in smooth, high-definition video. Additionally, the SmartSense parking feature has been incredibly helpful, alerting me to any movement around my car. This, combined with Guardian mode, lets me set location limits and stay in control of my vehicle at all times. Moreover, the Witness mode is a fantastic safety feature. If I'm feeling unsafe, I can activate it and the dashcam will share live footage with a trusted contact, adding an extra layer of protection. Pros: 4G connectivity for remote monitoring, infrared cabin camera for enhanced security, SmartSense parking for proactive threat alerts. Requires app for full functionality, limited to 1080, video resolution, no 4K.
Number 3.
In our list, the number 3 product name is NextBase 622G. The next base 622 GW dashcam has completely transformed my driving experience. With 4K recording at 30 FPS, the video quality is exceptional, capturing even the smallest details like license plates in crystal clear clarity. Additionally, the rear camera provides 1080p quality, offering full coverage of the vehicle. Moreover, the image stabilization feature ensures smooth and steady footage even on bumpy roads. The night vision and extreme weather mode also excel in challenging conditions, providing clear images in low light or fog. Furthermore, the integration with What 3 Words helps me pinpoint my exact location, which is crucial in case of an emergency. Alexa built-in is a fun and practical addition, making it easy to control various functions with voice commands. Pros: stunning 4K video quality, front and rear camera coverage, built-in Alexa for added convenience. Because price point may be higher than other models, some advanced features require additional setup.
Number 2.
In our list, the number 2 product name is Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 has impressed me with its compact design and powerful features. Despite its tiny size, it captures crisp 1080p video with a 140-degree field of view, ensuring I don't miss any details on the road. Its built-in GPS also adds an extra layer of functionality by tracking my location during recording. Additionally, the parking monitor feature is a game changer, providing added security when my car is parked. The voice control function lets me easily save videos or start recording without needing to touch the device, making it incredibly user-friendly. Moreover, it offers flexible mounting options, including both suction cup and adhesive mounts, so I can position it however works best for me. Pros: compact and unobtrusive design, voice control for hands-free operation, built-in GPS for location tracking. Gosh, limited to 1080p resolution, no 4K option. Some advanced features require a paid subscription.
Number 1.
In our list, the number 1 product name is Garmin Dashcam 67W. The Garmin Dashcam 67W has quickly become my go-to dash cam thanks to its compact size and powerful features. Despite its small footprint, it captures 1440 HD video with an extra-wide 180-degree field of view, ensuring I get a complete view of my surroundings. The Garmin Clarity HDR optics provide crisp, detailed footage day and night. Additionally, the voice control feature makes it incredibly easy to operate. I can give simple voice commands to save videos, take still pictures, and start or stop audio recording. Plus, the built-in GPS ensures that my footage is tagged with location, date, and time. The parking guard feature is another standout, providing peace of mind by monitoring activity around my car when its parked. I also appreciate the convenience of accessing the footage remotely via the pros: compact, discreet design, 180-degree wide-angle lens for more coverage, voice control for hands-free operation, remote live view and parking guard feature. Cons: requires Wi-Fi for some features. Driver alerts may not be fully accurate in all conditions.
Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Bye.